Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are planning to build a professional website for your perfume business, then the video is going to be very helpful for you. Here you can see this is a professional website that is built from scratch. So it is built on WordPress platform with Astra theme. To design this type of website, you don't need any type of programming or coding skills. Here you can see on the top, this is a header section that contains a logo in the center. So make sure that you can add your own logo. After that, here you can see this is a menu that has various categories that are related to men, women. After that, on the right side, it has about, contact page, add to cart option and my account option, where customer can see his details. After that, here you can see this is a professional body section, and on the right side it has a professional image. Scroll down, here you can see these are some other sections that has images as well as text. After that, here you can add your own beauty and various other like perfume related products. So the next, here you can see you can add images as well as scroll down. These are some categories, so related to men, women as well as exclusive categories. After that, in the photo section you can see here some details, phone number, contact as well as photo menu. So just you can create your own website without any programming or coding skills. Let's see how we can build this. To build any type of WordPress website, you just need two things. One is called domain, so that is basically your website name, and the second one is called hosting, where your website files are stored in a server. So here you can see these are the top famous companies. So these are the hosting providers that you can compare prices. So this is almost $3 monthly, and also you can check here HostGator. So scroll down and let's check. These are the hosting packages that you can select one of these. Just here you can select starter package, and after that on the next page, here you can see this is a section that you can fill out a form, but before that you can just add your domain name. So make sure that your domain name will be unique. Like if we add Amazon, so you will not be able to purchase this domain because this name is already taken. And after that, just you can scroll down. Here you can see these are some options that you can add, and after that just click here and make payment. After that you can just go here and sign in to portal. After that, in dashboard, here you can see in hosting, so this is the hosting package that I have purchased. After that, just click here on manage, and after that just click here settings. Scroll down, here you can see these are the name servers that we need to connect in our domain, so that our domain and hosting will be connected. So just I can copy these, and I have purchased hosting from this company, hostinger.pk. Here you can see this is the domain name, latestfullhdmovies.com. just click here on manage, and after that here you can see in name servers, just click here change name servers. After that scroll down, here you can see these are the current name servers, just you can replace with your own name servers. And after that just I can copy this second one, add here. After that just click here on save button. In this way you can connect your domain with your hosting. After that, the next step is just go to cPanel, and we need to install WordPress in our domain. So now you can see the cPanel has loaded, and after that scroll down. Here you can see these are various features that you can use and learn step by step. After that just click here app installer. So this is a basic tutorial that you can create your own website. Here you can see these are some platforms that you can use. Just click here, the first one, WordPress. After that scroll here and click here on install now. After that, here you can see for SSL security you can just add HTTPS, and normally it is used HTTP. After that you can select one of domains that you want to install WordPress. After that you can select WordPress plugin, and after that if you get WP here, just you can remove this one. The next you can add here website login detail, username, password, your own email address. After that here you can add site name, description, and here you can select the plugins that you want to install by default. So this is important plugin if you install. After that scroll down, here you can select one of theme. The next you can click install now button, and after that WordPress will be installed. So this is the way that you can install WordPress, and after that let's check what we can do. At this step WordPress is installed in our website. So now you can see how a fresh website looks on WordPress platform. In this website just we need to log in. So how we can log in? Just add wp-admin after your domain name. After that here we can add login details. So now just click here on login button. You can see we have logged in into our WordPress website. So this is a website dashboard, that how it looks. After that just you can go here appearance and themes. Now you can see by default this theme is active, and after that you can install new themes. And if you want to upload any premium theme file, just you can click here and upload your theme zip file. After that you can select any of these free themes. So this is a themes library that contains thousands of WordPress themes. Just install, and after that we can activate this theme. So here you can see it takes just few seconds. So just activate it, and after that we need to install and upload some plugins. So just click here on add new. After that here you can see I want to install this plugin, classic editor, classic widgets, and after that I want to install some more plugins. Really simple SSL. So this is a plugin that can install SSL in your website, and you can increase your website security, but I already have SSL. You can see this is a site lock, so that means my website is secure. After that you can add this one, and now I can add some plugins from my laptop. Here you can see I have, just I can select plugins from resources folder. Here you can see these are some plugins that I need to install. So if you just need any of these plugins, just you can type in the comment section, and I will send you link so that you can download these premium plugins and install in your website. So guys, you can see how easy to design a WordPress website and how is to install and plugins in WordPress website. So this is the easiest way. Just within few clicks you can install any of premium plugins as well as free plugins in your website. Alright, now you can check. I have installed Elementor Pro, but I got notification so that I need to install Elementor free version. And after that I can select inactive plugins. Just I can use bulk option. Select here, activate, click here, apply. So now you can see so it has activated all of plugins that are installed. As you can see, the website has clean and simple interface, but we want to add this professional design and functionality in our simple website. So let's see how we can get this. Just go to dashboard. Here you can see. After that scroll down. Here you can find out appearance. So now go to starter templates. After that scroll down. Here you can find out a button, build your website now. So now you can select Elementor WordPress page builder. So now you can find out hundreds of pre-built WordPress templates. Just you can add a keyword, or also you can see these are the categories. Just you can search according to your business. Now here you can see we can add a keyword. For example, I can add a keyword perfume. So here you can see this is already required template. Just select this template. After that you can add here your own logo file. If you don't have any logo, just you can skip. After that you can select a color scheme, and here you can see the font family, font style. So now click here, continue. After that you can fill out this form by adding some details. After that here you can see, make sure that you have checked all these boxes. Just click here, submit and build my website. So after that, this is the final result that you will get. Now if you want to change this logo, just go to customizer. Here you can see on the customizer page on the left side, just go to header builder. After that you can find out on the top site title and logo. Just you can click here, change logo, and in this way you can add your own logo file. Now if you want to edit this menu, just go to menu page. Here you can see it has multiple menus. Just you can select any of the menu, primary menu, secondary menu. After that you can add or remove anything. For example, I want to add contact in menu. So here you can see it has added. After that you can sort out using drag and drop functionality. You can also remove anything. Just click here and remove. After that click save menu. Now if you want to change these images and content, how you can do that? Just click edit with Elementor. After that here you can see, just you can click on anything. For example, I want to change this text. For example, I can add a text. So here you can see the text is changing accordingly, as well as you can link the button to any page. Just you can add a link here. After that you can remove and add your own images. Just go to section settings, then go to style tab. Here you can see this is large background image. Just you can add your own image file, as well as you can add a background colors, videos and images, as well as slideshows. Scroll down. In this way you can click on any image as well as text. Just you can change the text according to your requirement. So in this way you can easily create a professional WordPress website within couple of clicks. Here you can see this is an example product that how you can add in your website. So just you can copy product title, and here we are in dashboard. Just go here in products, click here add new. And after that here we can add a product title. After that here we can get some description. After that you can see on the right side you can add product image. The next you can add here gallery images. After that you can add price like this. You can add regular price, sale price, and after that you can add gallery images. The next you can set product category. After that you can add product tags. So the next you can add here product description, and after that just you can publish it. How you can accept payments in your WordPress e-commerce website? Just you can go here, WooCommerce settings. After that go to payments. So now here you can add your store details, your country, state, and scroll down. Here you can see by default currency is selected dollars. Just you can change it whatever you want. After that here you can see these are by default options: cash on delivery, check payments, direct bank transfer. And just you can enable one of these, and you can also enable all. After that, if you want to accept payments with PayPal or Stripe, how you can do that? Just you need to install a plugin. Just you can go here, plugin sections, type PayPal, and after that Here you can see these are some plugins that you can install. As you can see, the first plugin rating is very down, just we can install the second one. So it has 5-star ratings and active 52 installations. Just we can install the plugins, and after that we just need to go in plugin settings. Here you can see, just click here on settings, and after that here you can see this is a button connect to PayPal. So just you can directly connect, and here you can see it is loading. Just you can add your PayPal information like login details. After that it will be automatically connected. So the next, these are some options for manual integration. Just you can copy your production client ID from your PayPal account. After that you need a secret key. The next step is just you can add webhook ID. After that just click on save changes. So this is the way that you can get your professional online store for your any type of business.